In this episode, we are going to cover everything you need to know about how to match your on-land casino status with the Carnival Players Club. Welcome to Cruising on Comps. If you are planning a Carnival cruise and you have status with an on-land casino, I have some excellent news. The Carnival Players Club Fun Match program is very easy to set up, and it will award you with discounts based upon your on-land casino status. Step 1. Go to carnival.com/registration/promotions casino-fun match. I've placed the link in the description. Step 2. If you are new to Carnival Cruise Lines, you'll need to select the Register for Free tab to the left. If you have sailed with Carnival before and have a VIFP number, you'll need to select the tab on the right. If you are new to Carnival, once you click the drop-down, you'll need to fill in the requested information. If you've sailed with Carnival before and already have a VIFP number, you'll just enter it here along with your email address attached to your Carnival account. Step 3. This is the most important step. You need to upload the front and back of your on-land casino card with the highest level of status. Make sure it is the card with the highest level, as this will give you the absolute best offers. And please understand, this is a one-time submission, so it is so very important to verify your status level before submission. And that's it. You've registered for the Carnival Casino Fun Match program. Now just sit back and wait to receive your offers from the Carnival Players Club. Let us know what type of offers you've received in the comments below, and if you have found this information helpful, we would love it if you would give us a like and subscribe. It really helps us to continue to make this type of content that will provide you with the best tips and tricks to save massive amounts of money on your next Carnival cruise.